Let's make this one pot honey tamari chicken fried rice. Start by dicing up 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. For our marinade, we're going avocado oil, tamari sauce, rice vinegar, raw honey, minced garlic, minced ginger, salt, black pepper, and red chili flakes. Chicken with some cornstarch, and then toss in your marinade and refrigerate for 1 to 4 hours. When you're ready to cook, heat a skillet to medium-high heat, and then add your chicken, cooking for 3 to 4 minutes per side. Remove the chicken, deglaze the pan, add in some onion, garlic, cold white rice, and a little bit of ginger paste. Stir it all together, let it cook for a few minutes. Add in your egg, then add in your soy sauce, followed by your frozen peas and carrots. Finally, add the chicken and stir to combine. Garnish with green onions and enjoy.